is a John Deere l100 or l110, one of those. A lot of the parts are the same. This is a very rough. This is the condition of it. If I'm starting to restore it again, this belongs to the gentleman that he'll get junk mowers. He say you'll get them for about $50 and then expect them to to run perfect for about free. But anyways, this is another one of those just awful condition. There's some good parts, but you can see those idler pulleys in the drive system. That one is even mounted wrong. They both need to be replaced. It's about $13. The steering is not optimal. It's got some wear on the gear, but as I cleaned it up, it got a lot better. I actually pressure washed this after this video, and there's a picture of the model number right there. The deck is decent. It's got a lot of rust on it, so we're going to be changing out that drive belt, and just trying to see what I'm looking at in the picture here. Hopefully that main pulley will just come off real easy. Some of them don't, but this one actually did as I was working on it. The motor is going to have to be completely gone through. I've already got it broke down and ready to redo the valves. It had a broken intake push rod, which is common on these 19 horsepower Briggs or 17 horsepower Briggs, because it's a real thin aluminum, and then it will wear at the place where it goes into the holder, and then it will break. So I've got a new push rod on order. The drive belt, I don't remember the length of it. And then the deck, we're going to go with the 5/8 inch belt, checking the pulleys there. Like I said, I think I had redone this deck, but maybe that was the only thing I did to this John Deere. Yeah, if I didn't redo the motor, there would have been a lot of junk in it. There was a lot of stuff in the sump, a little bit of water in there as well. So just a good practice to redo the motor. It's good, cheap rebuild kits available.